A Quebec woman says a provincial court judge has left her feeling afraid and no longer Canadian. Rania El Allaul was in a court because of something her son did, but the judge refused to even hear the case. The reason, El Allaul was wearing a headscarf, a garment the judge called not suitable for a court proceeding. The CBC's Thomas Dagla has the story tonight from Montreal. Thomas.
Peter, Rania El Allaul went to court hoping to get her car back. It was impounded after her son was caught driving with a suspended license. She appeared before a judge, and what happened next came to her as a shock.
And the first question from the judge, she asked me, why you are putting this scarf on your head? I told her I'm a Muslim.
She says Judge Eliana Marengo halted proceedings for a half hour. Then she returned to the courtroom. CBC News obtained an audio recording of what the judge said next.
In my opinion, the courtroom is a secular place and a secular space. There are no religious symbols in this room, not on the walls and not on the persons.
She goes on to cite a Quebec court regulation saying everyone appearing here must be suitably dressed, and tells El Allaul she is not.
I will therefore not hear you if you are wearing a scarf on your head, just as I would not allow a person to appear before me wearing a hat or sunglasses on his or her head, or any other garment not suitable for a court proceeding. So what do you wish to do?
Actually, I cannot remove my scarf. This is, since long years, I'm wearing my scarf.
The judge offered to suspend the case while El Allaul consulted a lawyer, but she said she couldn't afford one.
I'm on welfare, by the way. I'm separated. I'm living with 3 boys. I'm facing many problems.
I know, but that's not what I'm talking about.
So she went home without her car.
I cried too much. From yesterday night, I'm crying.
She came to Canada from Kuwait 12 years ago, always wearing her hijab without any problem, even before a judge during her citizenship ceremony.
The same day I became Canadian. I was really very happy. But what happened yesterday made me feel afraid. I felt that I'm not Canadian anymore.
El Allaul wants to file a complaint, but question is, did Judge Eliana Marengo act within her rights? She wouldn't agree to speak with us, but a spokesperson for the Quebec court says it's up to every judge to apply the law the way she sees it. Peter.
All right, Thomas, thank you.